In this example, we're asked to draw the line segment defined by a particular vector. It's written in column vector form. We have to also state the magnitude of that vector. Now the vector that's been given here is the vector 3 minus 2, so you can call that whatever you want. I'm going to call it A with the little tilde underneath because it's a vector, 3, negative 2. Now this means that our vector has to be 3 across and then has to go down negative 2. Now because it doesn't say anything about where this vector has to originate, okay, you could start this any way you want. So if I'll do a couple of examples. I'll put one there, another one here. Remember that each of these is x and y. If we wanted to, and I think the easiest way to do a question like this would be to start at the origin and to say that we have to go 3 across, then we have to go 2 down. So that would be the point there. And because a vector has a direction and a magnitude, I'll do this with a line actually, so it's a bit more exact. That would be your vector there. Okay. When you're looking at that as well, remember that you could pick that vector up. So if we wanted to, we could also pick that up and put it anywhere else on the plane. So for example, we might just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We just need something that goes 3 across, so we could very easily start here and go 1, 2, 3 across to there, and then we need to go 2 down, 1, 2, so you could go to here. Okay, so 2 down, 1, 2 down, 1, 2, 3 across. So that particular vector, and we'll do this in a different colour so you can see, would go from this point down to here, where these two intersect. You can see that both of these vectors are exactly the same in terms of their size, so there's nothing different about them in their magnitude and also in their direction. They're both going in exactly the same direction. Both of them go across 3 when they go down 2. Okay, so it just depends on where you want to start your vector. If it doesn't say, easiest thing to do is start at the origin, but it's completely correct as well to have that vector picked up and placed anywhere else on the plane. The magnitude as well for this vector, because we're asked for that, Pythagoras. So you've really got this situation going on. You've got 3 and 2 and your vector going this direction. So the magnitude of A is going to be the square root of 3 squared plus 2 squared, which is the square root of 9 plus 4, which is the square root of 13. So in terms of the magnitude, there's your magnitude, and that's your directed line segment that represents your vector.